Hello everyone, I hope everything is going well. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you, oh my god, I'm so excited. Today I'm gonna show you my favorite brush set, and this is for precision in the eye makeup look. So I choose my favorite brushes to put here in this little surprise for you guys. Look at this. Yes, here I have all my favorite brushes by Sigma to do your eye makeup look. I coat and in this kit some face brushes as well, but thinking about the price, I decided to put only eye brushes, and here you have all my favorite brushes. So I really hope that you love this surprise. I'm gonna put the links here down below where you can get these brushes, and this is a brush set for every eye makeup look, since the simple smoky eye to a bold smoky eye. You can do many things using these brushes. So now let's open this up and I'm gonna show you what is inside. Whoa, I hope that you love it, guys. I love it so much. So here I have all my babies, my favorite babies. And first I'm gonna show you this little card right here. So here I add all my favorite brushes and for what it is. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so cute. So here I just add a little observation right here, and those are my go-to brushes. They will help you to create any eye look from simple to extra glam, even artistic looks. There are many possibilities with this set. I hope you'll love them. So this is my little gift for you guys with Sigma Beauty, and here I have my favorite brushes. Look at this. Those are my babies. With these brushes you can do many things. So this is what I'm gonna show you in this tutorial today. So here we have the E06 brush, and this is the winged liner. It's a very tiny angled brush, makes so easy the application of eyeliner. It's a good detail brush as well. It's so precise and I can create any precise line with this brush. So this is one of my favorites. Also, I really like the smudge brush. It's also so tiny, but you can use this brush for many things: to add a highlighter in the inner corner, below the brows, to smudge the lower lash line, to add details in your eyeshadow, and this is so good. Even to smudge the lines of the cut crease. As you can see here, you have the precise line, and from this line to the upside you can blend using this brush as well to create a very detailed look. And this is the classic blending brush. I think everyone loves this brush, and oh my god, me as well, because it's so easy. You can pat the products and then you go blending. This is amazing for every eye shade. You can do the same makeup look using only one brush. So now I'm gonna show you this eyeshadow brush, and this is the medium angled shading. I love this brush with this little tip right here because it makes so easy the application of any eyeshadow in the inner corners, also to concentrate the eyeshadow below the brows when I wanna also mix the shadows from the inner corner with this shadow in between. It makes so easy to mix them both together, and I really like the effect it gives. It's basically a normal eyeshadow brush but with a little tip right here, and it makes it so special. And now I'm gonna show you this one. Oh my god. This is the angled brow brush. I can use this brush to apply shadow or cream products in my brows, to draw the cut crease line in my eyes, to line my eyes as well, to apply any eyeshadow or even liner in the waterline, in the lower lash line, and also to apply lipstick. Yes, you're gonna see this in this video as well. This makes so easy because it's a very firm brush. I really like it, and create a very precise line. So that's it, my lovies. I really hope that you like this surprise. I'm so happy, I'm so glad, and I'm so excited as well. I hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much, Sigma Beauty, for this amazing opportunity. I cannot say thank you enough because this is amazing and I really love this brush set. This is a limited edition and I'm gonna put the links down below for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. So now let's get started! To begin this makeup look, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. So today I'm gonna apply the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. And I'm gonna blend this product all over the lid with my clean finger. To create this makeup look, I'm gonna use the Warm Neutrals palette, and this is the number 2. I love this palette, it's one of the best neutral palettes. And using the shader brush, I'm gonna apply the color Humble in my tear duct area and also below my brows to highlight. And to apply this shade, I'm gonna use the medium angled shading brush. And now using a blending brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Passion Fruit, which is a light pink. And this is so beautiful. It's a matte color, so I can use this color as a transition shade. I'm gonna place this color in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna blend in circular motions to my crease. What is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line. Now, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply the color Rosette, also in my outer corner. I'm gonna blend this shade a little bit in the lower lash line and also in my crease. To apply this color in my crease, I'm gonna change the brush, and now I'm gonna use the angled brow brush. To create the shape of my cut crease and add a lot of shine in my makeup look, now I'm gonna use this product, which is a cream product, and I love it. This is the Brilliant Shimer cream. You can use this product as a highlighter as well. And to apply this product in my eyelid, I'm gonna use this smudge brush. In the tear duct area, right on top of this Shimer cream, I'm gonna apply the color Humble again, and I'm gonna use the same shading brush as before. And now in my eyelid, right on top of the Shimer cream again, I'm gonna apply a glitter, and this is also by Sigma. I'm gonna use the shade Stellar Glitter. This glitter is divine, as you can see. Oh my god. And now I'm gonna line my eyes using this powerful gel liner, and this is Wicked by Sigma. And to line my eyes so precise and sharp, I'm gonna use the winged liner brush. Yes, this is my favorite brush to line my eyes. And to finish off my makeup look in my face, I'm gonna use the blush Nivea Aura by Sigma as well. And to apply, I'm gonna use the Spotlight Duster brush. This is not in my set, but I really love this brush. With this brush, you can apply contour, highlighter, powder, blush, and I love how soft it is. And now to highlight, I'm gonna use the Chroma Glow palette. Look how beautiful it is. I love this palette. It's one of the best for highlighter, especially for who have a more tanned skin or a dark skin. Today I'm gonna use the shade Peaceful. This color works so well in my skin tone. And to apply this color in the highest point of my cheeks, I'm gonna use a fawn brush. And now to make this look even more glamorous, I'm gonna apply this lipstick, which is so beautiful. And this is the color Dahlia. It's amazing. I really love the texture and how pigmented it is. So that's it, my lovies, for this tutorial. I love how this look turned out, and I really hope that you like it as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. Also, don't forget, I'm gonna put the links here in the description box of my new brush set. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!